up, my Spartans? Good morning. It's your girl Helen of Troy, and I just woke up, brushed my teeth, did all the flossing, and brushed my tongue. All that. Today is gonna be a very special video because I mentioned to you guys once we hit 500 Spartans, we're almost halfway there, but we're not there yet. I will be dyeing my hair black or like really dark, but I just kind of been tired of this red hair situation, and I love it, but it's just like not even the maintenance, but just the fact that it bleeds a lot, it messes up your clothing, your bedding, like, I don't got time for that. Even my nails, like if I paint my nails white or any light color, like my toes, like for example these, you guys saw me put these on, they got stained a little bit, but since the color is kind of like pinkish, you can't really tell. But if it was like my natural nails, it would have for sure got stained. I'm gonna be doing this method to remove the color with you guys. It's gonna be an experiment. I haven't done it in a long time. I'm gonna be using Head and Shoulders, and I don't have vitamin C tablets, but I'm gonna be using these bad boys right here. So don't mind my appearance right now, because once I do this, I'm gonna shower, freshen up. Lashes is gonna be put on again because when you wash your hair, and these are old. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. So this is what my hair looks like, guys, right now. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but some of the red is washing out. I was trying to use just the Head and Shoulders by itself and just washing my hair out as much as I can. The day, I think it was like last week. So I'm gonna do myself a favor and brush my hair out, because I had it in a braid all week, and then I tried to do a bun like that. The product gets in there, perfectly. And I look crazy, but it's okay. It's all part of the process, guys. So let me go find my brush and I'll be right back. All right. Let's get this show on the road. Um, I don't think, I have a formula, but I'm just gonna put as much as I can because I have a lot of hair. And we might have to do this twice. Okay, so I added some more so you guys can see it's all the way to the top. And this is kind of the consistency that you want. You don't want it to be too runny or too dry, especially if you have a lot of hair like me. And I did use 2 of the vitamin C packets that I had and added some more Head and Shoulders, being that I added water and I needed to double this amount. So I'm just going to use the residue that's on here to put it up here. It doesn't need to be perfect. Like, I'm not dyeing my hair, but I just also want to make sure that I am, saturating my whole hair with this. I'm using everything that I have. Bye-bye, red hair. Bye-bye. The last time I had dyed my hair was last year for Halloween, so it's almost been a whole year that I've had this. Honestly, guys, I don't even know what I want to dress up as, so this is part of the reason why I'm doing this. And also, as I mentioned before, I'm going to put these gloves because it's going to get a little messy in here. And I'm going to do it in sections. We're going to be demure, or we're going to be mindful, right? And do it in sections. So we're going to start off with the bottom half. This lash, literally, you guys are going to see me go like this a lot. And it's because the lash, I was sleeping good last night. As far as styling my hair, I have no idea what I'm going to do because the color might look crazy. I do have 1 box of the hair dye that I used to use before. So I don't know if I'm going to use that just to do something to the hair. I don't know yet. We're just going to be here now. I'm just going to focus on this. And I didn't brush the back the best, but let's get this show on the road. Alrighty. Should I still use a brush? I don't think so. We're gonna use our hands. We're gonna make it fun. Make sure that all of your hair gets saturated with this. I already hear the product working on the hair. The hair is already latching onto this. So to make sure the roots get it, I'm just gonna rub the ends. Like massage it pretty much. Hopefully I don't ruin this shirt. I don't think so. But I just might. We're gonna have to use the brush for the roots. See how much I used, and it's kind of already just like absorbing into my hair. I don't have to put so much, but just know I am gonna go back and add some. Yeah, I know this is gonna work. It's gonna lift some of the color off of my hair. Maybe not all of it, but I also haven't dyed my hair in like maybe a month or two. I think it's been like 2 months. Over, I'm literally just gonna like pour it. But yeah, see that streak right there? Right here. My hair's probably gonna look like that or lighter. I got on like a few fingertips and then just massaging that everywhere. I forgot to take my earrings off, which is great. Good job, Helen, good job. But this is a little bit more hair, so I gotta add some more. And then, you know, just massage that through. And I'm sure you guys seen it if you're not new here in one of my hair videos, but I don't know why I don't be using it. I'm praying this stuff comes out, guys, because so I'll be back when my whole hair is done, because I don't want to waste storage, and I also don't want to pour. Yeah, the lash is holding on for dear life, so we're gonna just take it off. Is it my way? This is what the hair looks like with the product. I'm just gonna massage it in for a few minutes. I'm probably gonna let this sit in my hair for like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Make sure all the hair is saturated. I did have to go back and make a little more of the mixture for like this front part of my hair. But like I said, I want my hair to be saturated, so all of this color can be gone. And then as for treatment though, because this is gonna dry out my hair, I'm gonna show you guys like right before I wash it. I don't know if I'm being delusional or it's actually like working already. Probably is. All right, y'all. See you later. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours. I was letting my hair dry a little bit so you guys can see the color that it left me with, and I did watch another video just to make sure. Well, honestly, the same video to see, because once I was washing my hair, like I saw less and less red in there, and yeah, my hair looks crazy right now, and it doesn't feel dry at all because of the products I used. Um, but I don't really have any product in my hair since I'm gonna be going back in. But like there was less and less red coming out when I was washing my hair, so that means the color's mostly gone. It's just like more so in my roots, I guess, from when I did my touch up last time. Um, but yeah, I'm trying to get it to be as like light as possible so I could have the base not be so much red because my hair was still kind of red, if you remember, like the ginger. And yeah, so hopefully it comes out like this. I'm gonna try to avoid the ends and focus on the roots, but I'm also gonna be adding more of the vitamin C packets because we need a lot of that. So yeah, I'll show you guys the end result when my hair is like dry. But I'm gonna get back to you guys today. I'm currently editing. Make sure you have watched the videos before this because you guys are not gonna see this until like October, like close to Halloween. Unless you follow me on Instagram, then you'll probably see me post the video because how am I gonna hide my hair? We're gonna see if we can do that. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me have a few minutes to talk to you guys because I'm dressed for work and I have to go. I'm just missing my skincare. So this is my hair like maybe 2 weeks later, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when I took off most of the red. I did have to go in like 2 more times with the what you call that, with the Head and Shoulders vitamin C concoction. This is what it's giving. I only have like a little bit in the roots, as you guys can see. Yeah, this is my hair. Like as promised, I'm gonna show you guys what I used, but just to like wash my hair and kind of freshen it up. So okay, so I used this combo, the Garnier Fructis hair filler in the Moisture Repair collection, and like as you can see, using it, the conditioner is very thick, so it's kind of hard to squeeze out. But then I ended up getting these pieces which I was missing. This is the hair bonding treatment. So I used this yesterday when I washed my hair, and I only have this product, the serum, on my hair. So like, I mean, you can't tell me like, and I slept without my bonnet, so my hair, that's why it was like up like that, because I washed my bonnet yesterday. But as far as like, you know, hair with only one product and being processed with Head and Shoulders and vitamin C packets like 3 times or maybe even 4, and excessive washing, like I feel like my curls still look good, and you know, they need a little work, but I'm rocking this today. So yeah guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. And also, once I'm ready to dye my hair, you guys will see what it turns out to. I don't know if you guys can see well in the lighting, but look, I think this is a better angle for you guys. I really need to stop forgetting to do the outro. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the hair transformation vlog. Love you guys and see you then.